What's up, man? Just got in the crib with that package, man. It's been a long little trip, man. But anyways, man, let's get to the shoe room so I can get y'all that review, man. Gang. Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy PM Kicks, aka Grown, back with another vid, bitch. Welcome back to another episode.
Hold on. Oh, hell no. Now, the homie was telling me you was doing this dumb shit, but I didn't believe him. I had to come see for my damn self.
Who the fuck keep letting you motherfuckers in?
You left your door open. That's how I got in, personally. Your door was open. He told me about it, and I just came in.
Well, how did the other dude get in?
Hey, all that shit not even important.
That is important.
Shut the hell up. Now, what is important? You and this dumb shit right here that you're doing. You better cut this shit out. We don't want to have to keep coming here and telling you. Don't make us come back. It's going to get way worse for you, dumbass.
Nah, I'm just playing, man. What's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man. It's your boy, PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into that unboxing, man, shout out Shoemanati, man. Wakanda forever. What's going on, bro, man? Much love, much respect, man. But hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And enough talking. Let's get straight into the box. I'm glad they ain't put the info everywhere, but let's get into it, bro. And honestly, I really like these shoes. I should have went to the stores and picked these up. They sitting, but they was going cheaper on StockX. So I'm like, why not save some money? But sometimes you need those extra points and stuff to hit. And like I already told you, from StockX, Kyrie box, swoosh over there, little basketball hints. And these are the Kyrie 4s, black and rage green. These are a recent drop, StockX. Yes, I am the StockX God Hokage. Ooh, I likes that. Yes, StockX Hokage. The Kazekage of StockX. And bling, blow, bird on the shoes, man. StockX sticker, all that good shit. We don't care about this box. And yes, bro, these are clean. These are clean, man. And it's not just a regular swoosh. This is actually dripping like it's actually. I ain't gonna talk our ears out, man. Let's get into the review. Of course, we already know the left shoe always comes with that verified tag, so we're gonna do the review on the right shoe. And let me first give y'all that full 360 view of the shoe all the way around. These is dope, man. Now, what they should have done was made this glow in the dark. That's what they should have did. I don't know if it do or not, but that's what they should have done. Okay, let me take this out too. Oh, I like that. Even though that has nothing to do with anything, but we gonna get into the toe box. As you know, it has that mesh material. I don't know if this is battle knit like what LeBron stuff had, but it has that mesh material right here. As you know, the patterns are a different type of mesh, not the same. Standard Kyrie 4 lace system. You have like this shiny patent leather style swoosh right here. All over, well, not all over because the front is mesh, but this is actually a nice, very nice nubuck on here. Like, this feel premium. This is a nice nubuck right here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not lying to y'all. Not trying to hype the shoe up. But this is a nice, real nice to touch nubuck right here. You have that, what do they call this? What kind of green did they call this? Rage green. Actually, that's the outsole, but you know the outsole on the Kyrie 4s comes all the way up to with the midsole. So you have the all black midsole, but you have the hints of the Rage green coming up. This is some cheap leather they just threw on there. I ain't gonna lie to you. Cheap leather they threw on there. All black satin on the sock liner. And this right here is what sold me on the shoe, honestly. That, the bottom, and of course, you have like the slime dripping off of the Kyrie sign right here. That, like, this stuff really sold me on the shoe. But I didn't know. I thought this was just like some stuff that was just gonna peel off. But this is actually the swoosh. Like, as y'all can hear, all this graphic is actually part of this. And this is actually just made the shoe doper than what it really, like, what I thought it was. I thought it was all going to be like this. Like, oh, I'm going to wear the shoe and it's going to wear off. But this is actually part of the design of the swoosh. I did not know that. Like, this right here is going to wear off. But this, like, this slime dripping is never going to wear off. So that right there was real dope. Like, they did their thing on this one. I really like this shoe. And of course, on this side of the shoe, you have the slime dripping all the way to the midsole. You have that premium nubuck right here. You don't have no backstroke motions. You don't have no motions on a nubuck, but like this right here is real. No, matter of fact, it's not even. This feel like a velvet or something. Like, whatever this is real, like, it's real nice to the touch. And it's also right here on the toe box as well. So this is on the side of the shoe, on the toe box. This side, you have cheap leather. I don't know why they even threw this on there. Satin on the inside as well as like the Rage green satin right here. You have that Illuminati eye, or in basketball, the triangle is a defensive. It is a defensive play too as well. And the offensive play, the triangle. So I don't know why it's on his shoe. But hey. And then the inside, signature on the inside. And Kyrie's, I advise you to go a half to a full size up in Kyrie's. Seriously. They fit real snug. Like in this area, it's real snug. So I always go 9.5. And then my BHM Kyrie's, I actually went up at full size. Like those are way different. And on the side, as you can see, got little hints right there. Like Kyrie, like I like that basketball players always put like little details in all their shoes. Make you have to go and look for them. And on the inside it said fear is not real with his number right there. And right here it says fear is not real. Real dope. On this shoe, got JBY. Azura on the heel. Elizabeth with the birth dates. So yeah, man, these are real dope though. Outsole of the shoe. You have the slime dripping all the way down the shoe. This is like the predominantly green midsole from the slime dripping all the way down. I haven't made it to the heel yet. These are real dope, man. Little Kyrie symbol right there. These are real dope. And on the court, these actually are good hooping shoes. Like, these are really good hooping shoes. Seriously. Like, I know, like, and PG got some real good hooping shoes too. But these are great hooping shoes, actually. But yeah, man, this is my review, man. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. What up, Shoemanati? Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. We out this jam.